Most owned pistols in America 2026 is dominating the market like never before. Here are the models Americans own the most this year. If we look at 26 to 30, these pistols have built a solid following. FN 509, Colt Python, HKCC9 and HKP30, Staccato P and Staccato C2, CZ75 SP01 and CZP01. These models may not top the charts, but they have strong loyal ownership across the country. Moving up, 21 to 25 brings more widely owned carry options. Walther PDP and Walther PPQ, CZP10C and CZ Shadow 2, Glock 48, Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0, Ruger EC9S and Ruger LC9S. Reliable, affordable, and practical, these pistols are common choices for everyday owners. Next, 16 to 20 features proven performers in the market. Ruger Security 9 and Ruger SR9. Taurus G3 and Taurus G3C. Springfield Armory Cuna. Canik Meat and Canik TP9 series. HKVP9 and HKCC9. Strong recent sales and growing popularity have pushed these models higher in ownership. Looking at 11 to 15, we see established and trusted names. Springfield Hellcat, Smith & Wesson M&P9 full size, 1911 platform, Glock 22, SIG Sauer P226. These are well-known platforms with years of consistent ownership and strong reputations. From 6 to 10, these pistols are major volume sellers. Glock 26, Smith & Wesson M&P Shield and Shield Plus, Ruger LCP Max, Beretta 92 FS and M9, Taurus TX22. Highly popular across the U.S., these models continue to move in big numbers. And finally, the top 5 most owned pistols in America. Glock 43X and Glock 43, SIG Sauer P320, SIG Sauer P365 series, Glock 17, Glock 19. These are the true heavyweights of the U.S. market, dominating ownership in 2026. Which of these pistols do you own? Let us know in the comments.